Meet Alex. He just got his first credit card. He feels powerful, like he's holding a golden ticket to adulthood. One swipe for a new phone. Another for dinner. One more for sneakers. What could go wrong? Well, a few months later, Alex realizes something terrifying. His golden ticket turned into a paper chain. A debt trap. Debt isn't just about borrowing money. It's about borrowing future money, money you haven't earned yet. Every time you spend on credit, you're pulling money from your future paycheck. And if you're not careful, your future self becomes a full-time worker for your past mistakes. That's how the trap starts. You feel fine at first, until the interest kicks in. Let's say Alex owes $1,000 on his credit card. The bank charges 20% interest. That's $200 a year just in fees. If he only pays the minimum each month, maybe $30, he's not killing the monster. He's just feeding it slowly. It could take him over 4 years to pay off that $1,000, and he'd end up paying around $400 extra in interest. That's how banks make money, not from the rich, but from everyday people trapped in tiny, invisible cages of interest. Now add student loans, car payments, and maybe a personal loan or two. Each one has its own interest monster. This is called the debt snowball. One small debt turns into a rolling avalanche. And if you're not careful, it buries your financial future. It's not because Alex is lazy. It's because the system is built to make debt easy, and escaping it hard. But don't panic. Escaping debt is 100% possible. You just need a plan, and a bit of discipline. Step 1. Stop digging. Cut off new spending until your old balances are under control. Step 2. Build a safety net. Save even a small emergency fund, $500 to start. That keeps you from using credit when life happens. Step 3. Attack the smallest debt first. This builds momentum and confidence. It's called the debt snowball method. Step 4. Celebrate small wins. Every dollar paid off is a step toward freedom. And once those monsters are gone, the money that used to feed them becomes yours again. Once you're out, stay out. Use credit cards only if you can pay them in full every month. Otherwise, they're just shiny handcuffs. Track your expenses. Spend less than you earn. And remember, peace of mind is worth more than any new gadget or fancy dinner. Debt isn't evil. It's a tool, but a dangerous one if misused. Use it wisely, and it can build your life. Use it blindly, and it will own your life. So ask yourself, are you using debt, or is debt using you?